are going to love the 2015 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.